So now let's discuss about the questions followed by the passage. On the basis of your reading of the passage given above, answer the following questions. To interest the children, teddy bears were used as. The options are manipulators, props, conflicts, and statics. As we have read in the last lines of the passage that the teddy bears were used by the Britishers as props. So the correct option would be props. I hope your answer is also right as it is getting matched with my answer. Okay. So now let's see the next question. A dash can tell us about the tricks played by camera. As we know that only the person who is involved in one profession or the other knows about the ins and outs. So the options are picture, photographer, tutor, and dramatist. So the correct answer would be photographer. And the next option is the allegation of doctoring was confirmed by. The option 1 is Israelis, Adnan Hajj, tutors, and freelancers. As we know that the allegation of doctoring is put on Adnan Hajj and it is confirmed by Reuters. So the correct option is Reuters. The picture of the smoke rising from an apartment block in Lebanon was actual picture, was manipulated by a photographer deliberately, or appeared thick in picture due to bad lighting, or all of these. I repeat this question. The picture of the smoke rising from an apartment block in Lebanon was actual picture, was manipulated by a photographer deliberately, and appeared thick in pictures due to bad lighting, or all of these. The correct answer would be was manipulated by a photographer deliberately. But he given the pretenses, the notion that as he was clearing the dust on the camera, and that's why due to the bad lighting it happened. But the actual reason was that it was manipulated by a photographer deliberately. So next question is, as per the passage a camera. Option is always gives fake pictures, never give fake pictures, sometimes many give fake pictures, or none of these. I repeat the options. Always give fake pictures, never give fake pictures, sometimes many give fake pictures, or none of these. Yes. Any guesses? I hope you have done this answer. Yes, the option is that sometimes many give fake pictures. Your answer is also this one? Okay. Next is British photographers left teddy bears in households stricken by death and destruction in floods in Third World War countries with a view to. I repeat the question. British photographers left teddy bears in households stricken by death and destruction in floods in Third World countries with a view to. Option is showing that all that was left in household were teddy bears, showing that most of the flood victims were children, and the third option is both A and B, and fourth is neither A nor B. I repeat the question. British photographer left teddy bears in household stricken by death and destruction in floods in third world countries with a view to showing that all that were left in household were teddy bears, showing that most of the flood victims were children, or both A and B, or fourth option neither 1 nor 2. So as per the option, the correct option is 1. The showing that all that was left in household were teddy bears, that no one was left escaped these teddy bears. So the next question is, Reuters deliberately accepted the manipulated pictures. Reuters deliberately accepted the manipulated pictures. True or false? The option is true or false. That Reuters deliberately means जानबूझ के, intentionally. The tutors deliberately accepted the manipulated pictures. As per the passage, as when he came to know that the picture of Israeli conflict over Lebanon was false, then he just rejected to accept it. He denied to accept it. So the option would be false. The allegation of manipulating pictures was confirmed by. The allegation of manipulating pictures was confirmed by dash. As this allegation was confirmed by Reuters, so the correct answer would be Reuters. I hope that, dear students, your answers are also the same as I have discussed with you. And still, if you have any query related to this passage, you can post me your queries on my number. And I really hope that you all have completed the sample paper. And in the next video, we'll discuss about the rest of the sample paper. Till the time, just complete your work, maintain your notebook, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.